Alright, it's a brand new episode of Check It Out. My name is Akin. Although so many bad reports, negative reports about Bariga recently. I don't know why. You know, fighting here and there, killings here and there. And you know what? Bariga used to be a very peaceful place. You know, a place where you can walk on the streets, you know, come back to your house like 1 a.m. no problem, you know. But nowadays, your mom will tell you, man, you gotta be at home by 10 p.m. latest, you know. So many negative reports about Bariga, and it shouldn't be like that. I'm proud to be a Bariga boy, you know. And that is why on this show today I have this Bariga dude in the show. You know, we have so many Bariga boys now. The Coded Tunes guy, I'm talking about Idi Kabasa, Too Fat, Nice, Tony Tetula, Lord of Ajasa, Kiodusi, Bariga to bad. You know, so on this show today I have this reigning Bariga boy. Hey, I have this reigning Olamide to bad.
Yes, sir. You know what it is? I do bound, but nice to
have you. Yes, thanks, man.
Come be shaking.
I was telling him off the camera, what about Turkey now? You can always do like Turkey. So I'm welcome to check it out.
Yeah, it's nice.
Briefly, let's get to meet you.
Okay, you know what it is? It's your boy Olamide. The real name is Olamide Adedeji, born and bred in Bariga, a native of Ogun State. Yeah. Okay,
so you are born and bred in Bariga.
Yeah.
You attended what school?
Lady Lac Primary School and Bodola Private College.
Okay.
And right now, I'm studying my school in Taishola University of Education. Yeah.
Okay. Fine. Taishola College of Education, that's where you're studying now. Yeah. But then we don't want to talk about the educational aspect. We want to talk about the music. And I saw your album, Rhapsody, wonderful.
Thank you very much.
So tell us about Rhapsody.
Okay, Rhapsody generally is the name Rhapsody was derived from Rhapsody.
As in the other side?
Yeah, no, okay. the normal R-H-A-P-S-O-D.
Okay.
So that's like music in an unusual way.
Okay.
So since it's a rap song, rap music, that's what I do. So we just had to do it our own way, and we street time. We come out the whole Rhapsody thing, turn them to Rhapsody. That's like rap music in an unusual way. Like rapping out of order. You know what I'm talking about. And at the same time, it's a sing rap. I do sing rap and do my normal rap thing at the same time. So it's just so off the hook. Rhapsody, Osikin Sodi.
Osikin Sodi. Oh bad gone. You know, oh bad Sodi. Okay, so let's ask, how do you come into music now?
Okay, I started music professionally year 2000. Yeah.
Okay. That was like 11 years ago.
Yes, sir.
No, sorry.
10 years.
Yes, that's like 11 years ago. No, this is 2011.
2011.
Yes.
Wow. 11 years, oh boy. I don't
yeah, 2000.
For this game like Rick Ross.
Wow, so you started. Okay, I don't want to ask about your age. So you started to.
Nah, so no, I don't even take my age line now. Yeah. Age na number now. Okay, it's all about what's up here, man.
So you started music at the age of?
That's like 11, 10. I can't remember.
You were singing what then?
I started out with the normal rap thing. Then later on, I tried to sing small songs. I just focus on my rap thing, because we know to get spectacular voice like that, but we try small.
Let's see the video and we'll be right back.
Yes, sir. Salute.
Alright, you're welcome back. That was Olamide with Eniduro. You know, so many reports on that video that like Olamide wore like 1,000,001 cloths to shoot that video.
1,000,001, 27.
27 cloths. Why do you have to wait?
We just guys make una see as they go, guys. No time to the lie, no time to the fake. It's all about winning. It's all about putting it to people like, hey, you see what I'm really talking about. Because even if you know the year Yoruba, you don't understand Yoruba, or you're deaf or something, if you watch the video, you can easily get the message. You can understand what the whole thing is all about. So that's just it. Like, why a person go day here now with one shirt, the next time they show up for another location, see they wear the same shirt. So that's like flip crack, man.
I understand. I now know where Olamide is coming from. I like the part where you were wearing that. You know, the pastor aspect.
Okay, don't take me, thank God.
I love that part. Super video, wonderful video.
Thank you very much.
Who produced the video?
DJ T directed it.
Okay,
yeah.
Why the producer produced the beats?
Idi Kabasa produced the beats, and the concept came from both Idi Kabasa, Too Fat, DJ T, and I. We all sat down together and like start chipping in ideas and all that.
Okay. In all the tracks, which one will you say?
On the album,
yes.
I have 2 of them.
Okay.
Kelegbe featuring Lord of Ajasa, then Legendary Ursula featuring Nice and Reminisce. Those 2 tracks, I love them like crazy.
Let me tell you my own. I love Legendary Ursula.
Okay.
I love Omoto Chon, of course. Now you expect me to respect Omoto Chon, guys, you know. Then I love there was the one you did for men, as in you trying to advise men not to beat up their women.
Hey,
what gave you that motivation?
Well, really, Tupac came up with the idea, like he just called me while doing my album, like, guy, how far could I think you just do something for the women, like show them that we care, because you know stuff like not like there was really an event that happened that made us come up with the idea of something. It was just trying to be like make just be like so just do dance, do street, try to be responsible a bit and talk about some things that happen around and make women feel appreciated and loved and all that. So I just had to sit down and come up with something.
Okay. Now, still talking about Rhapsody, Olamide Rhapsody. What has the response been like in the market? Okay. Still talking about Rhapsody, as in the other side of rapping, another version of rapping. What else can I say? Still talking about how has the response been like in the market? Because I bought 4.
Wow.
I'm not doing this because I'm in
Wow. I feel so honored right now.
No, it's my pleasure. Don't.
Thank you very much. Don't thank me, thank God.
Oh, we don't have okay. All right, so how has the response been?
The response so far has been good, positive. People has been buying on streets, on internet, and even Alaba Boys self don't they make their own copy of my album, Best of Olamide, that we can put Olamide featuring so name songs that I don't know. Oriolori one for come promote Oriolori. Olamide featuring, even get one they put Olamide featuring Teriji Apako. Like say I did there. I was like, what the hell? You know what I'm saying? It's just crazy, man. It's God.
Okay. Well, it's God. I'm hoping one day they will just put my name. Olamide featuring Akin Odunsi. So if you see Olamide featuring Akin Odunsi, don't be surprised. Just don't worry. It's something we do spiritual. Another break and we'll be right back.
Is there?
See in the city of Bariga, and I still have it with me Olamide Omoto Chon to bad any do Joe. Do you have his slang?
Odia Idedia. Okay, alright. Odia Idedia. When I say hello baby, what down is Ola baby. I'm a Rolex church. I'm a Reverend Sister Riton Blush. Am I mad? Young Gary King on the beat. I'm a monster. Joe. Father you Loriota. What's he doing there?
You know, once in a while I try to learn all these slangs from all these people. I think I learned one from Lord of Ajasa. Yeah. I learned one from LKT, I think so. Now I've learned something. What's he doing there?
What's he doing there? I'm on fry pan. Line she tinko. What's he doing there?
All right, I'm still having a lot of it. It's been fun, I tell you. You know, trying to get someone who is real. When you talk about real, I love reality. I love someone who is real. You can see the video. He was shooting the video in a place, you know, where it could easily tell people where he is from. He's actually from the hood of Bariga. How proud of you being a Bariga boy?
100% proud, man, because lots of people has been asking me. I did some interviews, couple of interviews and all that, and some people they ask and say this is Bariga when I the shot. Say if they sweet to now, I say let's say they sweet me like that. I don't mind if I feel be Gates Pekin, you know understand. But based on code, feeling cocky based on one side, say Bariga na my home hood. Now where them born me, I don't feel deny them now. I just guys keep it real 100%. So no darling.
Talking about code, we are under Coded Tunes.
Yeah, Coded Tunes.
Okay, so you intend to be under Coded Tunes forever.
Wow, Oluwani champion, you can never tell.
Coded Tunes have done a lot for Olamide. I'm not trying to boast, you know. They've done a lot for. And
sincerely speaking, I'm not gonna lie, you even Kabasha herself, they tell me Olamide with time, you know, say you could get your own team, blah blah blah. So you know they even hold me, you know they hinder me from having my own kind of outfit or something. But for now, I never to know.
Okay, talking about that, where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
In the next 5 years, all I can see right now is greatness, and greatness. I'm telling you, believe me, take it or leave it. greatness, when you talk about greatness, normal greatness is beyond explanation, it's beyond words. You can't even explain, you can't even tell what it's really going to look like, because it's, you know, it's a gift from God. Greatness is all I can see right now. I can see greatness, but I know if you explain, I believe it. Great things, man.
Off camera, Olamide was greeting some people. I'm not going to talk about it. He begged me not to talk. Yes, I'm not talking about it, but I'm going to code it like coded tunes. You understand? How do you cope with your female admirers? Okay, how do you cope with them? You know the role.
That's my own deny. See as they hail me now. I just say back, yeah, also babes. Yeah, that's what it is, man. I just got they like when people give me $100,000 of love, I give $1 million back, because there's a lot of blessing and better believe that. Some people they look for person who go love them. Some people they look for make they just show them small love. Say oh my God, I like what you do. But me, I get people they tell me say I love what you do, man. I feel so appreciated. Like I feel so blessed. So for me, it's just normal thing. It's all love, not a small thing.
So you guys know I don't need to ask Olamide what I want to ask right now, because even if you ask them, they will tell them I'm in love with my music. That's what they say. As if the music is I'm in love with my own. So I'm not going to say anything concerning that. I've had a lot of fun with Olamide.
Nice one, man.
I've had honestly, I've had a lot of fun. I don't want to go, but I need to go because Olamide, we have to go now. Olamide has so many things to do. We shall take it.
Very for me, be any pay me jammy. Batty boys 18, but me know them no fit dear me. Me no more pay one if I show delay any jam near Kako.
Oh, you mentioned delay jam. Okay, I love that. The show has been checking out. My name has been Akin Odunsi. I don't want to go, like I said before, we have to go now. Our time is fast, tick, talking. Olamide, nice having you on Check It Out.
It's nice having you.
We hope to see
around
you.
There soon, bro.
Girl, you know you look so fine, and I want you to be mine. Girl, on me you can rely. I'll be waiting for reply.
Mama say hi to me. Just come on, wishing let us do the job. Oh yeah, Mama say hi.